Hello friends, welcome to the topic competition analysis and marketing. I think all of us we have question in our mind, how well do we know our competitors' business? Today, all brands and organizations have to operate in a very competitive and fast-paced environment. Brands are always looking for opportunities to hop on and gain competitive advantage in the industry. Therefore, it is critically important to know exactly what product and services your competition offers. How can you compete against a business if you don't know what you are competing against? From my experience with business, as soon as you ask any business owner about competing businesses, there are two general responses most of the time. The first is that they begin with a standard statement on how incompetent their competition are, how expensive, how unreliable, and so on. The other response is very surprising. The fact that they know absolutely nothing about the competition, that is even, worse. So let's understand how do we do the competition analysis. Competition analysis begin with identifying present as well as potential competitors. It portray an essential appendage to conduct an industry analysis. An industry analysis give information regarding probable source of competition that includes all possible strategies, actions and reactions and effects on profitability for all the organization competing in the industry. However, a well thought competitor analysis permits an organization to concentrate on those organizations with which it will be in the direct competition. It is especially important when an organization faces a few potential competitors. The main objective of the competition analysis is basically to study the market, to predict and forecast the organization demand and supply, to formulate a strategy to increase the market share, to study the market trends and pattern, to develop strategies for organizational growth when the organization is planning for diversification and expansion plan, to study forthcoming trends in the industry, understanding the current strategy, strength and weaknesses of a competitor. This all can suggest opportunities and threat that will merit a response. Insight into future competitor strategies may help in predicting the upcoming threats and opportunities. Therefore, competitors should be analyzed along various dimensions such as size, growth, profitability, reputation, objectives, culture, cost structure, strength and weaknesses, business strategies, and exit barrier, etc. Now, to get all this information about your competition, it's really easy. It's not that difficult. You can go to their website, the advertisement, their balance sheet, their audit reports, from all where you can find out a lot of valuable information. Many businesses view competitor as their enemy when in reality they can be a friend. In fact, the latest corporate practice is that if you can't fight your competition, if you feel them they are enemy, make them a friend. So if you are lucky enough to be able to work with your competition, that is fantastic. It's not at least make a point of knowledge or understanding what the competition offer so that you can offer more. Therefore, the purpose of competitive analysis is to determine the strength and weaknesses of your competitor within your market strategies that will provide you with a distinct advantage, the barriers that can be developed in order to prevent competition from entering your market, or any weakness that can be exploited within the development of product or services. Therefore, friends, competitor analysis is very important because that will help you to come out with a competitive advantage for your company. And the definition of competitive advantage is that something which you offer which your competitor cannot offer. So that is why please keep on doing regular competitive analysis for your businesses, because that is going to help you to keep you much ahead with your competition, and then you can survive in this competitive market environment. So friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe and watch my YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos related with the topics like branding, advertising, sales, marketing, human resources. Thank you very much.